Today's word is poultry. It means domesticated birds kept by humans for their eggs, meat, or feathers, such as chickens, turkeys, ducks, and geese. Here are two examples using this word. The farm specializes in free-range poultry, ensuring the chickens have plenty of space to roam. We need to buy more poultry, like chicken and turkey, for the barbecue this weekend. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are fowl, domestic birds, barnyard birds. Antonyms are wild game, wildfowl, beef. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.